In grade 10, we saw how you can easily replace text with other text using the replace command. To replace the word check in this document with the word verify, you must enter the word check here and the word verify here. To ensure that the whole word check is replaced, we mark the option Find Whole Words Only before we click on Replace All. Note the word check-in is not replaced. Let's look at further options. Let's use replace to ensure the letters PIN appear everywhere in capital letters. Enter PIN here and PIN in capital letters under replace with. If we don't mark match case, it will find the word even if it begins with a capital letter. Notice how PIN has been replaced by PIN in capital letters. You can also use the replace command to change the formatting of certain words. Let's look at how to highlight the word by formatting the text. In this case, we want the word authentication to display in red and bold with the text expanded by 1 point and with 150% scaling. We only want to change the formatting. Therefore, the word authentication is entered in both the find and replace box. While the cursor is in the replace box, change the formatting as follows. Click on Format, Font, to mark it bold and red. Then work in the Advanced tab to set the scaling and the spacing. Now you can quickly check the format list under the replace box to check that you have all the changes that you want. Click on Replace All. See how the formatting of authentication has changed everywhere. Let's look at how to highlight a word. Say you want to highlight the word security in blue. It's important to first set the highlight color to blue before you click on the replace command. Enter the word security in both the find and replace boxes. Because the word must remain the same, it must just be highlighted. Now you can click on No Formatting to remove all the previous specifications and now go to Format and choose Highlight. Click on Replace All. We can also search for text formatted in a certain way and replace that text with a different format. Say we want to change the text in the document which is bold and italic to normal text which is underlined. It seems that it's these three which are bold and italic. Let's see how they can automatically be changed with replace. Because we are not searching for specific text, we must leave the find block blank. Click on it and go to Format, Font, and select Bold Italic. Now click on the Replace box and leave it blank. Remove any previous formatting, then click on Format, Font, and click on Regular, then click on Underline Style, and choose the style you want. Click on Replace All. Notice how the three pieces of text are now underlined. Say you have decided that you don't want any text displayed in italics in the document. Check that no formatting is already selected in the Find and Replace boxes. If there is, click on No Formatting. As there is no specific text that we want to replace, we leave the Find box blank and then go to Format, Font, and choose Italic. Word will now find any text which is in italics. Click here and leave it blank and go to Format, Font, and Not Italic. You can also replace a word with a special character. If you want to replace the word email with an email symbol, for example, WebDeans154, we do it as follows. First, click anywhere in the text, right at the top or at the bottom, is preferable because it is easy to find. Use insert symbol and add the desired symbol. Then copy the symbol. Now enter email in the find box. Click on the replace box. Select special clipboard contents. That which you copied will now replace all instances of the word email. Remember to delete the symbol which you added and copied.